Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Before we are going to start uh, the technical part of this course, I would like to answer an important question. And many of you will wonder this question, I believe, that is learning interior fitter quantity surveying actually worth it? Because this is a very tiny niche, as you can see. So I will say the simple answer is yes, it is worth it to learn. So interior fit out is one of the fastest moving sectors in construction industry. So every office, hotel, hospital, shopping mall, school, airport, and residential building requires interior finishing before it can officially hand it over to the client. That means there is always a demand for professionals who understand how to measure, estimate, and control the costs of these works. So today I will show you that what are those avenues and where these opportunities exist and how this course can help you build valuable career skills. So I'll take you to my PC where we'll try to see that where you can find these opportunities. So as you know, there are a lot of job posting websites in which you will see Indeed.com is quite big, and it is also like quite popular among the job seekers. So what you need to do is just write the keyword that is quantity surveyor fit out. You just give the location wherever you are based in, then you will see that the result will appear, and in the result you can see their senior quantity surveyor and interior luxury villa interiors. So if you open this job, you will see that the salary, the range is good salary, as you can see. And it says that BOQ and tender submission. And in order to make a BOQ, you will start from the takeoff and all that stuff that we will learn in this course. Then if you see that quantity surveyor interior fit out, then again cost estimation and BOQ preparation you need to know. So if you know about these two things, it means that half of the job has been done, and that we will learn in this course. Then afterward, you see that cost management, billing and payments that you need. Of course, for billing and payments, you need takeoff, you need bill of quantities, and you need to know that how it works. And there are a lot of other websites where you can get the formal jobs. Glassdoor is one of that. Total's Job, Pay.com. So there are a lot of other, websites that are basically giving you opportunity to get jobs. So the only thing what you need to do is change the location. Okay, that where you are looking for the job. You can change the country, you can change the city, whatever you like, of course. Then if we go to LinkedIn, so LinkedIn, just if you write fit out, you just write fit out, if you can see there are a lot of jobs, right? And you can see that there are pages as well, so you can move to the next. So if you open it, this one, it's a big company, of course, and they are looking for like the quantity surveyor, who is assistant quantity surveyor, and they are only looking for this interior fit out quantity surveyors. Okay, the procurement engineer is also he also knows about the quantity surveyor, can do this job. So this is also relevant for quantity surveyors. Then you can see quantity surveyor again, junior quantity surveyor, interior fit out works, and this is a very good consultant company, and that also required junior quantity surveyor that it specifically, mention about the quantity surveyor for fit out purpose. Okay, so these all are basically for the fit out job. Again, you can change the country here. There are a lot of options now you can use from LinkedIn, and you can change the country. For example, if I want to see United States. So United States, if we open it for now, so in United States, mostly they use estimator instead of quantity surveyor. So you can see there are a lot of estimator jobs you will find in United States as well. So there are a lot more jobs, and there are a lot of smaller, independent subcontractor they are working for it. So the salary range is 80K to 100K. So this is the beginning in which we will start pursuing our career. You can also check, and you can say quantity surveyor, estimator, assistant commercial manager. So quantity surveyor, fit out, fit out. So you will see a lot of jobs particularly in fit out demand. So the LinkedIn is also a very helpful platform where you can see that what market is demanding right now and how you can position yourself in this market. And this is also the very best place where you can find a job in interior fit out. Then if we go to some freelancer, if you are unable to get the job initially, what you can do is you can provide your services as a freelancer. Okay, so the first freelancer option is of course the Fiverr. In Fiverr, you just if you write drywall estimator, you will see that there are people who offer their services. So he's using this PlanSwift. If you open this PlanSwift, this interface is basically for the PlanSwift, and he says, I will do drywall, plasterboard, lining, and painting, takeoff, and estimation. Exactly what we are going to learn here. So what he's saying, he will charge £24 for the job. That is his minimum demand, right? So as you can see that he has like 27 reviews, 5 stars. So he's good in his job. He's in level 2. And if we go through his profile, you will see that he mentions experience certified construction cost estimator who has been supporting construction companies. So about the gigs, he's saying about this PlanSwift. I told you, if you know PlanSwift, it's easy to learn Costex and GoBeam. They are almost the same. Then he says residential, commercial, office, and workshop he can do. So what he's saying that he will charge £24, right? So he says 1 day delivery. He will do this job in 1 day. So 200 square feet. Material quantity breakdown. So what he will do, so the area will not more than 200 square foot. That is small area, not big area. And material quantity breakdown, he will quantify drywall and drywall. That's it. So it's a good starting money, I would say. In this way, you will be able to, of course, learn. And this is how he is doing his job. And this interface you will see when we start doing our job, and you can see that he also got some markups, drawings in here, and there are other stuff. So it's simple, it's not hard. We will do exactly the same thing for you guys. So you have real opportunity and chance. And if you see this person who is also starting from 20, he's starting from 16, so he's also is top rated. So it means this guy is doing a better job. That's why he got more orders. So you can see he has 205 reviews. It means he's doing his job regularly. He might have some clients that he got. There is also a guy who is starting from 80, and if you're expensive, of course you will get less orders. Okay, so you can see there are plenty of people who are doing drywall and finishes. Okay, that we are going to learn in this very course. Okay, so there are a lot of people offering this service, and you mean it means everybody, and it keep going, and people love to do this job, and it's not that hard job. It's quite simple and easy job, to be honest, and there is a real chance of earning money from this job. Then there is another platform you might be familiar with, Upwork. On Upwork, you can also provide the services. So when I search drywall, so you can see that drywall finishing takeoff, right? So somebody is asking to provide the services. They will pay you hourly $4 to $10. If it suits you, it's fine. If it does not suit you, just go to some other jobs. So they got the proposals. Then you can say estimator for commercial drywall projects. So they are specifically looking for the drywall specialist. So hourly, they are ready to pay $15 to $22. Then you can say construction estimator full-time. You can get the job in here. So the hourly rate is $9 to $13. So construction estimator for floor covering. It is drywall here, so drywall here, and you can just further go to next page. So there are a lot of like framing and drywall takeoff specialists that we will learn in this particular course. So there are a lot of opportunities for you guys once you learn this, a very important skill. You can get the job, you can start working as freelancer as well, and it will also help you to make your own estimate and use your skill development to to learn things and to earn money, and you can do it for yourself as well. Okay, so I think it's quite eye-opening that you have a lot of platforms that provide you opportunity to get job. You can do like freelancing. That is like most of the people nowadays like to have the freelance job. So as you can see, there are a lot of options in this particular niche. So we will meet. I will meet you in the next class where we will start. Practically, we will start learning about drywall, and then we will learn about the ceiling, and finally, we will go for the paintworks. Thank you.